Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to create this pattern using Pattern Engine for 3ds Max. If you're not familiar with Pattern Engine, please check the link in the description. First, create a rectangle of 3 by 3 meters and click the Create button. Switch to Size mode, then set the dimensions as shown in the video. Set the Y spacing to 5 cm and X spacing to 0. Go to Common Settings and set the minimum border to 15 cm. Now, let's add a random effect to visibility. Set the maximum range to 80. Add a shape effect on the top and invert it. Set the shape dimensions to be smaller than the pattern outlines. We will use this effect to exclude the random effect from outlines. Now select Add from the Mode menu to blend it with the random effect. Go to Common Settings and check Flip XY if needed. Increase the concave depth if you like. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.